Hello and welcome to the first episode of Manufacturing Insights by LMW. Over the years, our role have given the opportunity to travel across manufacturing hubs, visit factories of different sizes, interact with business owners, production heads, operators, and next generation leaders. From small job shops running a handful of machines to large manufacturing facilities supplying to global OEMs, one thing has become very clear to us. The challenges faced by manufacturers today are not always technical. In many cases, they are mindset related. When we talk about the future of manufacturing, the conversation usually revolves around automation, Industry 4.2, AI, digitalization, and advanced technologies. While these topics are important, we believe there is another side to the story. Many businesses continue to make decisions based on assumptions that were true 10 or 15 years ago, but may no longer hold true in today's competitive environment. So in this episode, we would like to discuss 5 manufacturing myths that frequently encounter during customer interactions and industry discussions. These are not theories from a textbook. These are observations from the shop floors, boardrooms, and factory visits that have shaped our understanding of where Indian manufacturing is heading. If you are a business owner, plant head, production manager, entrepreneur, or someone passionate about manufacturing, hope these insights encourage you to look at your business from a slightly different perspective. Let's get started. The myth 1. Bigger factories always win. 20 years ago, scale was a major advantage. Today, we see smaller companies winning businesses from much larger competitors. The question is why? Because customers increasingly value responsiveness over size. A company with 20 machines that can respond in 24 hours often beats a company with 200 machines that takes a week. The future belongs to agile manufacturers, not necessarily the biggest manufacturers. The myth 2. Buying more machines means growing the business. This is probably one of the most common assumptions. Many companies measure growth by the number of machines installed, but customers don't buy your machines. Customers buy your ability to solve the problems. We have seen companies running at 50% utilization, investing in new equipment while leaving the productivity improvements untouched. The next generation of successful manufacturers will focus on extracting more value from existing assets before adding new ones. The myth 3. Technology is expensive. When people hear automation, digitalization, or Industry 4.0, they immediately think about large investments. But some of the highest returns we have seen come from relatively simple improvements like reducing setup time, improving process planning, monitoring machine utilization, training operators. Technology is not about spending more. It's about thinking differently. The 4th myth, skilled labor is disappearing. Many business owners say they can't find skilled manpower. The challenge is slightly different. Young people are not rejecting manufacturing. They are rejecting outdated manufacturing environments. The companies attracting talent today are those offering learning opportunities, modern equipment, growth paths, and a culture of respect. The talent exists. The workplace expectations have changed. The final myth, customers buy only on price. This is perhaps the most dangerous one. Price matters, but reliability matters more. Consistency matters more. Problem solving matters more. When a customer's production line is running, the cost of downtime is often much higher than the cost difference between suppliers. The companies that understand customer pain points deeply will always have an advantage. As we come to the end of this episode, we would like to leave you with one thought. The future of manufacturing may not belong to the companies with biggest factories, the most machines, or even the largest workforce. It may belong to the companies that are willing to question long-held assumptions, adapt faster, learn continuously, and focus on creating value for their customers. The manufacturing landscape is changing rapidly. New opportunities are emerging, customer expectations are evolving, and competition is becoming more global than ever before. In such an environment, success often comes not from doing more of the same, but from thinking differently. Hope today's discussion has given you a few ideas to reflect upon within your own organization. Thank you for joining on this first episode of Manufacturing Insights. In the upcoming episodes, we'll continue to explore practical challenges, emerging trends, customer success stories, and perspectives that can help manufacturers stay ahead in the changing world. Until then, keep keep learning, keep improving, and keep building the future of manufacturing. Thank you for listening. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. If you have any questions, topics, or challenges you would like us to discuss in the future episodes, please leave them in the comment below. Your suggestions help shape our upcoming conversations.